What's going on, everyone? My name is Rōze Traore and I'm a chef in New York City. Welcome to my home on the Upper West Side. Not only is this my sanctuary, but this is exactly where all of the magic happens. And I can't wait to give you a look. All right, so this is a New York City apartment, which means every space needs to count, including the entrance. So I painted the wall black because I wanted the entrance to be a little more dramatic, and it makes this beautiful piece here pop. And at the same time, I was able to fit a bar cart in this small area. So when my guests come in, I want them to be able to see this beautiful piece and also enjoy a cocktail, whatever they want. All right, so speaking about dramatic, I love this light because it just gives you that dark glow before you enter the bright living room. You know, my whole approach to everything is simplicity is key. So when I picked my sofa, I knew that I wanted it to be, chic and sleek, but still comfortable. One thing that I keep in mind when I'm purchasing furniture is to make sure that they serve more than one purpose. Now, as far as my coffee table, I have a glass top to simply just view my books, but also be able to enjoy a good cup of coffee. And then for the dining table, I wanted to get something that I could use for my desk, but also be able to entertain my guests when, they come over for dinner, for lunch, and, get a little groovy. And I love mirrors because you're able to see yourself, see the environment you're in, and it keeps you on your toes. All right, so now as far as lighting, very important. I wanted it to still be simple, but still have that slickness behind it. And that's why I put up these two sconces and they do the work. Now, obviously, when I'm having guests over, I'm not ordering out. I'm cooking it myself. So with that being said, let's get into it. Here we are in my kitchen, which is my laboratory. It's small, but effective. What makes a good kitchen for me at home is one, make sure you have a really solid stovetop. I'm a tall guy, so I wanted to set my pots and pans nice and high so it's easy for me to grab, just like that. And having a window isn't bad either. I mean, I've worked at some of the best restaurants in the world, but what I really fell in love with was when I was able to connect with my guests on a whole different level, which is making food more accessible. And the thing that I love about food is that it connects us. And I truly love being in this position because I'm able to make people happy and to just share that knowledge that I've been able to experience for the past 10 years. For a light lunch, seafood is always a plus. So I'm gonna be making my spiced Harissa shrimp. Now, some of the ingredients that we'll be using consist of some garlic, some Harissa paste, we have some butter, a little thyme, and some basil to finish it off with. And let's not forget, we have some baguette to just soak up some of that broth to just enjoy. First thing we're gonna add is our garlic, seasoned with a little bit of salt, white wine, and we're gonna add in our Harissa. Now you wanna make sure your sauce is at a right consistency before you add in your shrimp so you're not overcooking them. I mean, plating food for me, it definitely affects the taste because you eat with your eyes. You just wanna make it look good, like a home. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed my home. I enjoyed cooking for you. Time to eat.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes,